Okay, here it is, the second video of a T2000 inside. Dirty floor. Nice speaker system up there. Look at all those cabinets all the way across. Here we go, across the dash. Smart reel, there we go. Now, we can come here. We have right there, refrigerator, drawer, that pulls out. Flat screen TV mount. Cabinets, all the way up, dirty clothes. We have one up there, a light, window, top bunk open, rear set of speakers, of course the bed, up the other side, another cabinet way up there, plus you have cubby holes. Same over there, see? A couple cubby holes. Sorry for the fastness. Now we come down, here's a cabinet. Here is, let's see if that'll work out. That's the closet. Look at this. Open it up. A nice big mirror. See the hook? Look down there. There's a compartment for shoes and stuff. How neat. And now you have the stairs. And this concludes our tour.